Hello and welcome to the class on Sire Index. Sire Index is a mathematical expression to estimate sire's probable transmitting inheritance. It determines transmitting ability or breeding value of the sire. Selection of sire based on index is considered to be the most accurate and complete method. These are various terminologies which are used in various sire indices, where capital I denotes the index value of the sire. Capital D bar is the average record of daughters of the sire. Capital M bar is the average of all dams of the daughters of that sire. CD bar is the average of contemporary of daughters of the sire. Cm bar is the average of contemporary mates. Small b is the intra-sire regression of daughters on dam. Capital H bar is the herd average and small n is the number of daughters. There are various types of sire indices. Daughter's average method was proposed by Edward and it is calculated with the formula I is equal to D bar. Mount Hope Index proposed by Goodell in 1927, I is equal to D bar plus 3 divided by 7 multiplied by D bar minus M bar when the daughter's average exceeds dam's average. If the daughter's average is less than dam's average, then the formula D bar plus 7 divided by 3 multiplied by M bar minus D bar is used. The index proposed by Gifford is calculated with the formula twice D bar minus H bar. Equiparental index or Yap's index is calculated with the formula twice D bar minus M bar. Regression index of Rice proposed by Rice in the year 1940 is calculated with the formula twice D bar minus M bar plus H bar divided by 2. Krishnan index is calculated with the formula I is equal to D bar minus B multiplied by M bar plus H bar. Henderson and Carter proposed herd-mate comparison method to estimate the index value or the predicted difference of the sire as n divided by n plus 20 multiplied by D bar minus H bar, where n is the number of daughters. The contemporary comparison method to estimate sire index utilizes the formula of H bar plus n divided by n plus k multiplied by D bar minus CD bar, where n is the number of daughters and k is the ratio of error variance to sire variance. Dairy Search Index or Sundarsan Index utilizes the formula in two different forms. If the sire evaluation is performed on the farm, then the formula H bar plus n divided by n plus 12 multiplied by D bar minus CD bar minus B multiplied by M bar minus CM bar is used. And if the sire evaluation is performed for key village scheme, then the formula H bar plus n divided by n plus 12 multiplied by D bar minus CD bar is used. This is also termed as modified version of Sundarsan Index. Wright's Index utilizes the formula 2 divided by n plus 2 plus H bar divided by n plus 2 multiplied by twice D bar minus M bar. Lush proposed sire index as I is equal to A plus C multiplied by D bar minus B multiplied by M bar, where A is the constant to adjust the sire index to a desired level, B is a constant to determine the relative weight on dam's performance, and C is a constant to control the variability of index. The best linear unbiased prediction proposed by Henderson in the year 1975 is used to calculate the Sire index as Yijk is equal to mu plus Fi plus Sj plus Eijk, where Yijk is the measurement on the kth progeny of the jth sire born in the ith herd year season. Mu is the overall mean, Fi is the effect of ith herd year season, Sj is the effect of jth sire born, and Eijk is the residual error. We will see with the help of a solved example where we have been asked to compute the dairy search index for the following 4 sires based on their daughter's first lactation milk yield as given below. We have been provided with the data on the 2 different seasons of year 2018 and year 2019 on the progenies of different sires. For calculation of dairy search index, we will be using the formula proposed by Sundarsan. Initially, basic calculations are calculated as given in this particular slide, where average milk production of the progenies of each sire is calculated as given below. The herd average is calculated by taking total milk production divided by total number of progenies, which comes to 2738.26 kilograms. The performance of contemporaries is calculated as shown here. The sire number 1 had the daughters calved in first and second season in the year 2018 and only in the first season of the year 2019. Therefore, all the progenies belonging to the other sires calved in first and second season of year 2018 and only first season of 2019 are the contemporaries of daughters of sire number 1. Here in this table, the mean of contemporaries, that is CD bar, is calculated for various sires. Now, the dairy search index will be calculated independently for each sire. For sire number 1, as we can see that the contemporaries performance is calculated as shown in the previous slide. The contemporary average milk yield is calculated. There are altogether 22 contemporaries for the daughters of sire number 1, which are producing 59,591 kilograms of milk, and accordingly the mean of contemporaries of sire number 1 is coming to 2,708.62 kilograms of milk. The herd average, as we have calculated earlier, is 2,738.26 kilograms. Number of progenies of sire 1 are 8, and the daughter's average of sire number 1 is 2,967.63 kilograms. Using these values in the given formula, we can calculate the index value of sire number 1 as 2,841.86 kilograms of milk. Similarly, you will have to calculate the index values of remaining sires, and at the end you will have to rank the sires according to their index values. Based on this, we have few exercises for you as your homework. You will have to calculate the sire index using equiparental index, rice regression index, and Krishnan index. Similarly, here in second exercise, you will have to calculate the sire index using again equiparental index, rice regression index, and Krishnan index. Thank you.